For the first walk for 2 years, and we're actually in St Mary's churchyard in Elham again. No, there's a surprise. And I'm back out with Jim, he's around somewhere. Haven't really planned much today, weather's a bit dodgy. Give you a little panorama while we're here, and just take it as it comes. We're going to go down Duck Street and just head out into the countryside. As if we need reminding, it's 10 o'clock and the bell's chiming. I've just come down Duck Street and we're actually going to pick up on the Elham Valley way. Although it says it's that way, it is actually down here. So if we're wandering, we're going to go up there. Right, here we are. We couldn't go far without getting crowded by you lot, could we? Go on, off you go. Off you go. We've got to come through our gate. These lot have just run up to us, literally. Nosy. Go on, off you go. Off you go. All sorts of things. Go on, out the way. Out the way.
Wait, yeah.
Well, I've been told by a man with cattle, look at their necks.
Look at their necks?
Yeah, stare at their necks when they come near you. You have got to be wary of cows, but at the end of the day, don't be silly with them. They'll probably follow us up the field. So.
Where's the cow?
As we've climbed up the hill, now you can see they've lost interest.
Oh,
in fact, they're more interested in each other. Looks at each other at the top of the hill now. Standard Hill farmhouse. So we're at Standard Hill Farm, I'd imagine. As you can hear, nothing. We've had to stop by a prairie-like tree. It's the only tree for miles around because it's pissing down. Believe it or not, it's giving us shelter. Never mind, out in the fresh air. This is where we were the last walk that we did, and there they are. Same herd of cows there again. Cows everywhere, because the ground's so undulating here, it really leans towards livestock and not arable farming. But it's just lovely down here. I've just come through Ladwood Farm. I won't be doing much filming today, I don't think, because it keeps raining and this camera's not waterproof, so I'll film where I can. A nice bit of architecture, I think somewhere down here. These are actually holiday cottages. Ladwood Farm, Ladwood Cottages, check them out. A bit further down the track now we're going to pick up on the Elham Valley Way, and it's just so quiet here. I'm just going to stop a minute. Right, just come through a little wood. Now we're open space. Beautiful house over there, I don't know if you can see it, old Tudor style house. Field full of sheep. Reasonably well maintained style. I think we're going into North Elham or Wingmore. No, I think it's Wingmore. So we have a chance to have a little look at the architecture as we come down the main road. An old Kent cottage there. Lovely little place. Just going to cross the main Elham Valley Road and then go up Blackbean Hill. There's that nice house over there again. Yeah, if some of you have seen the last video I filmed here, this might look even a bit familiar. We're sort of coming back to Elham now in about another mile and a half, and we've done. But thought I'd film it anyway. Nice places over to the right here. A nice view of the valley. If you have liked the video, you might think about subscribing to my channel and ticking the like button down below. And if you want to leave some comments, I'm mainly doing World War II stuff lately, but it's open to any sort of walks, anything down in Kent. I might start walking more in Norfolk now. And so if you've got anything you want to say, or anything you want to sort of positive, or even some more useful comments, what you'd like to see, then just let me know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I will be filming a bit more, and see you on the next one. Thanks.